Hello, my name is Dr. Lisa Williams, and I'm the Director of Gallery Programs here at the Children's Museum Houston. Today, I would like to talk to you about Welcome Baby. Welcome Baby is a program sponsored by the Powell Foundation. So we thank them so much for their support of the museum. We have a program here at the museum called Welcome Baby. And part of Welcome Baby is that we use trusted business partners or trusted partners such as libraries, the WIC centers, but people that our visitors know and love so that they can receive a bag like this from the museum and its partners, but not just to receive the bag, but to actually use the bag's contents. So right now I want to share with you what's in our bag. We have a lovely book. The title of the book is The Going to Bed Book by Sandra Boynton. The importance of this book is that babies need a routine. And so a nighttime routine, including reading a book, is great to help grow your baby's brain. Even when a baby is not able to read yet, they still get benefits from you reading to them. On the book, we have a room card, and the room card gives you other ideas of things that you can do with the item that it is attached to. Next, we have a 100 Great Books Babies and Toddlers list. Inside this list, we have an application for Houston Public Library, a library card. It is for Houston Public Library as well as the Harris County Public Library. In case you didn't know, here at the museum, we actually have a Houston Public Library branch. So you can come and check your books out here once the museum is open again. The book list is great because we have it broken up into different categories. So books about shapes, books about counting, books about daily routines. And so it's organized in a way to best help the parent choose what type of book they'd like to read with their toddler or baby. One of my favorite components of the bag is this beautiful mirror. This mirror is great to actually put onto the back of your car seat. You can attach it, or you can actually just stand it up and give your baby some tummy time. So your baby can be on their tummy and they can look in the mirror, and babies love reflections. Right now, I know you're stuck at home, so you can't get this bag, but you can even use a handheld mirror that you have at home. You can use a bathroom mirror. The idea is that when your baby is looking into the mirror, they can see their facial expressions. Also, you can look in the mirror with them, and you all can engage in something called serve and return. So serve and return is when your baby does something and then you do something back. So your baby might laugh or smile, and then you laugh and smile back. When you do that, believe it or not, you are helping your baby's brain grow, because the neurons in your baby's brain are connecting every time it's stimulated. So please continue to do things at home that include serve and return with your baby. Now we still have some goodies in the bag. We have the cutest little wrist rattle. This rattle can either go on the baby's wrist or on their ankle. And again, it has a lot of stimulus because of the sound that it makes and the bright, beautiful colors. So, and like I mentioned before, there is a tag that tells you other things that you can do with your baby with the item that it's attached to. This, by far, is my favorite. This is a ring of room cards. Vroom is an app that you can actually download onto your cell phone, and every day you will get reminders of things that you can do with your baby. When you register with Vroom, it's a totally free app, then you can personalize it so that it helps to give you ideas, especially for your baby. Let me give you an example. So, skin sensations. Talk to your child about how things feel on his or her skin. Your shirt is soft. So, it's giving your baby some vocabulary. You could also think about something that is hard or rough. So, think about just different sensations that your baby might feel. And again, even if your baby doesn't understand the actual vocabulary that you're using at the time, the ideas that you are exposing them to it. When you actually go onto the Vroom site and you put in the information that they ask for, then it will personalize it for you. So be sure that you log into Vroom and get that free personalized service. This will help you with your baby's brain growth. Let's see what else we have. We have this handy dandy chart. It's like a map, kind of reminds you of Candyland, but it helps you to understand some milestones that your baby should reach around a certain time. Don't get really preoccupied with the exact timing, because babies grow at different rates. But this does give you an idea of when something may occur. This will also help you when you go to your pediatrician visits. Excuse me. Here we have a book that will help you as you go through the bag. This tells you about the Basics Houston. These are the 5 videos. So you can go on our site and actually see the different videos on our site. We also have a message about brain development from Dr. Keonta Moore. She's one of our partners and she's a Rice University fellow. As you go through this pamphlet, you'll see some other things that we recommend. Another post about joining Vroom. Some ways to eat and serve nutritious food, because what your baby eats is also important. This just gives you some resources that you can follow and use. We also have something called Flip Kits. We want to thank the Samuels Foundation for their support with our Flip Kits. These Flip Kits can be actually checked out from HPL libraries. And so please, if you have not checked out a Flip Kit ever before, go ahead and the next time you are able to go to a HPL, Houston Public Library, look for the Flip Kits. Look for the dog, that's the symbol. And that will, it's organized by the age of your child, so that you can actually, in the kit, you'll see a sheet that gives you a lesson. This talks about our tot spot. And then on the back, you get a free family pass to the museum. So like I said, Welcome Baby is a fabulous program that we have here at the museum. We hope that as the city gets back to normal, that you will actually be able to work with a trusted partner that you know. If you would like a Welcome Baby bag and you don't find a trusted partner, please email Ramona Pierre. She is our Welcome Baby manager. You can reach her at rpierre, that is RPIERRE, at cmhouston.org. Thank you so much for joining us today.